Welcome to Die Casting News. Like, subscribe, and share this video with your die casting team. We are tracking a major development in the automotive sector. So let's get straight to the headline. All right, listen to this. The global automotive die casting market is gearing up for some really significant expansion. We're talking about new research that projects the market will surge to nearly 98 billion US dollars by 2031. Now, that's a pretty substantial increase from the roughly 68 billion we're expecting in 2025. That's a compound annual growth rate of over 6%. So let's dig into what's really driving this momentum. It really boils down to two main things. First, no surprise here, it's the electric vehicle boom. Automakers are depending more and more on lightweight die-cast parts for things like battery housings and motor casings. It's all about improving that vehicle range and efficiency. And the second big factor, the gigacasting revolution. You have innovators like Xiaomi who are consolidating dozens of components. We're talking 72 separate parts in some cases, all into one single massive casting. This is a huge, fundamental shift in how cars are manufactured. But, this kind of growth doesn't come without its challenges. The sheer amount of capital investment you need for the advanced machinery and tooling, well, that presents a pretty substantial barrier to entry for any new players trying to get into the market. Another really crucial trend that's shaping the industry is the big shift toward recycled aluminum, or secondary aluminum as it's called. And this move, it's being driven by two things: sustainability goals, of course, but also the strategic need to get better control over material costs. So what are the key takeaways here for the industry? Well, this market expansion signals some really significant opportunities in lightweighting and EV components. But, and this is a big but, it also points to some intense competition from those really well-capitalized players, which puts a real premium on smart, strategic positioning. That's the update for today.